Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for January 7th, 2020. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off today. We did see equities pull back a little. The Dow finished lower by 120 points. The S&P 500 was lower by 9 points. NASDAQ pulling back just 3 points, and the Russell 2000 was lower by 5 points. The bond market also pulling back slightly. The yield on the 10-year note settling at 1.819%. Crude oil pulling back about 54 cents at the official close, a little less than 1%, while gold adding another $5.20 or 0.33% today, despite some strength in the US dollar here today. Now, another story today, one of the stocks sort of in the spotlight today was Tesla for a couple of reasons. One, they launched their Model Y vehicle in China. And at that launch, Elon Musk actually danced on stage. That's where what really made the news. But more importantly, Tesla continues to do very well here. Their market cap is now almost as much as Ford and GM combined. And if you look at that move today, up another $17.52 per share today, or 3.88%. They are sitting at yet again another fresh new all-time high here. So no resistance overhead. There's momentum on this. I mean, just a monster move since the middle of last year, and it honestly shows no signs of slowing down. So with no resistance overhead, who knows how far this can go. Obviously, this will pull back at some point, but as long as momentum remains intact, any pullback should be another buying opportunity. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.